Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, isn't it? Great. So, from today, we have to start our first class of our GK, class 7. Okay? So, before starting our first class, what we have to do? First, you all have to check your cover page of your book. आपको अपनी book का cover page check करना है. Okay, your cover page of your book you have to check. It should be of unique, yes, and general knowledge class 7 book. You can see your cover page of your book. As you all know, in this book, when you will open the book, when you will see the content, then you will find out that in this book we have 53 total chapters. We have 4 model test paper 1, 2, 3, 4. But as you all know, due to this pandemic situation, Corona, 30% of the syllabus has been reduced under the guidelines of CBSE. Okay, so what we have decided that we have to do 15 chapter in this term. Okay, only 15, not more than 15 we are doing only 15. Now what you have to do, you have to make your class work copy. You have to do 15 chapters in your class work copy. Okay, and so we are starting now our first chapter, which in the book is it given chapter number second given है, आप उसे कट कर लीजिए. We have to write chapter number second which is given in your book. You write chapter number 1. आप उसे क्या कर दीजिए, chapter number 1. Okay, so listen the videos till last. Okay, so listen the video till last, and whatever I will tell you how to do in the class of copy, you have to listen properly and you have to follow the instruction, and you have to do your work in the class of copy. I hope you have understood. So let's start now. Okay, the chapter number 1, that is spices and the flavors. As you all are aware with this term, I hope you all are aware with this term. Yes, spices, masale, flavors that you get a taste. Okay, as you all know, whenever we prepare any food items, yes, we need many ingredients to prepare it. What are the ingredients? Ingredients means, I know you are well aware about this term. You have learned in science also. Ingredients means in class 6, ingredients means the substance which are needed to make any food items. Yes, and spices are one of the ingredients that we use in the food item to prepare. Yes, so and why we add it? Because we need a taste. We need a, yes, for our, whenever we eat something we need a taste. Na, we all love to eat tasty food item, so for that we need a spices, and that is we need flavors. Yes, and you know all these spices have different flavors, different tastes. So let's start now. Now what we have to do in this chapter, we have to do match the following, and the question can be asked in any form. You have to do in class or copy has a match the following form. Okay, but in paper question can be asked in any form. And now what you have to do in this chapter, they are asking you some of the Hindi name has been given of the spices. किसके name दे रहे हैं? Hindi name. And you have to write its English name. आपको उनके क्या लिखना है? English name. So what you have to do, you have to make a column. Okay, here you have to write Hindi names. All these Hindi names will be right, and then here you have to write the English name of the given Hindi name. जो Hindi name की जो English name given है आपको, you have to write in front of the Hindi name only. Okay, don't do number matching, don't do line matching. Number matching can be done in book only. Okay, but in copy you have to write English name in front of the Hindi name. I hope you have understood now. Okay, so let's start now. First, Hindi name is soft. Soft we say any seat. We say any seat. You can put a number first C, any seat. Okay, next, लहसुन. लहसुन को हम क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? गार्लिक, एंड गार्लिक सेकेंड का जी. ओके, नेक्स्ट, बेसन. बेसन वी से, बेसन को क्या बोलते हैं हम? ग्राम वाटर. यस, सो यू कैन, हियर इज अ थर्ड के, ग्राम वाटर. नेक्स्ट, Imli. Imli we say turmeric. Turmeric in 4. 4 is A. Turmeric. Next, Kesar. Kesar we say saffron. Where is saffron? Saffron. It's fifth I. Okay. Next, Choti ilaichi. Choti ilaichi we say it in English cardamom. Okay. We say it's cardamom and it's M part. Okay. Next is salt. Salt we say dry ginger. Okay. And dry ginger is O part. Okay. Next, 8. Curry patta. Curry patta you need when you make a curry. Your mummy use, your mother use at your home. Yes. Okay. So curry leaves. I know you all are aware. Just we are revising it. Okay. Curry leaves. So you can, that is B part. Next is jeera. We all use it at our home in our kitchen. This is a must ingredients. Cumin seeds. So 9th one is cumin seeds. 9 ka D. Next, methi. Methi we say in English fenugreek. Fenugreek. 10 ka N. Next, 11. Til. Til we say, til का आपको oil आता है, you know. Til sesame. Okay. So 11 का E. Next, adrak. Adrak we say in English ginger. Adrak we say ginger. That is 12 ka F. Next, 13. Haldi. Haldi in English we call it turmeric. Okay. So 13 is H1. Next is amchur. That make your food item very tasty. Yes. So amchur generally we use in the junk foods we use amchur, and in our dairy food items also we are using. It gives a very good taste. 14. Amchur we say it dried mango powder. Dried mango powder. That is you can mark J1, dried mango powder. Next, 15. That is a gulab jal. We say gulab jal has a, you all know, rose water. Yes, it means 15 rose water. 15 ka I. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. Okay, now after completing question number 1, you have to do you have to write question number 2, and this question number 2 we have made from the interesting fact, which is also very important to know. Okay, so in interesting fact we have one question is formed. You can write as a question number 2. How many exact number of seeds are there in a pomegranate? कितनी एग्जैक्ट नंबर की सीड्स होती हैं, बीज होते हैं पोमीग्रेनेट में, दैट इज अनार में. ओके, तो कितनी होती हैं सीड्स? हैव यू काउंटेड? हैव यू काउंट? नो, इफ यू हैव नॉट काउंट, जस्ट नेक्स्ट टाइम जस्ट काउंट इट. ओके, ट्राई टू काउंट the exact number of seeds in it's a exact number we have told. Okay, of seeds in a pomegranate can vary from 200 to about 1400 seeds. किसका कितना किसके वेरी करता है, किसके बीच में इसका नंबर 200 to about 1400 seeds. It's depend upon the size, okay, of the pomegranate. I hope you have understood till here. So this also you have to write in copy. In this chapter we have formed 2 questions. First question, match the following. Okay, you have to write Hindi name in front of the English name. Second question, from the interesting fact, how many exact number of seeds are there in a pomegranate? I hope you have understood. Just complete in your class of copy chapter number 1, and this you have to in book also and copy also. Okay, now chapter number 2 we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.